Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinons YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to check if a directory exists using Python. So let's get started. Firstly, I've come on my command prompt and now I'm going to load the Python interpreter using the Python keyword. Now I have the Python interpreter ready in my command prompt so I can start using Python code. So first thing is, all we need to type and import is the OS module that helps us to extensively work with files, directories of a computer system. So let me import that and press enter. After that, I'm going to use a function called os.path and a paths method dot is dir, and this basically takes in a folder name as an argument and returns true if the folder exists in the given directory, else false. So now I am currently present in my desktop folder, as you can see here in my users desktop folder. So let me go to my desktop, and as you can see here the programs file exists. So I am going to check whether the programs folder exists in my desktop or not. So in that, let me type in programs, and as you can see it returns true since the programs folder exists. Now let me show you another example where I'm trying to type in a folder that does not exist. So then let me type the name of the program. So let me name it as my programs, and there's no such folder in my directory. So if I press enter, as you can see it returns false since the given folder does not exist in my directory. So that's it. Using the simple OS module, we can learn and come to know whether a given directory exists in a folder. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends and subscribe to the Akinons YouTube channel.